Is your toilet seat loose like this? You're not gonna believe how easy it is to fix. Let me show you. Just go to Home Depot or Lowe's and get you some universal toilet seat hinges. Then look at the back of the toilet seat. You'll see these two things on the back. You'll have to try to open them. You shouldn't have to pry them too hard, but so there's a bolt in both of them, but you notice this one is missing the nut on the bottom. I'm going to end up replacing this one too, just so they're both the same, but let's go ahead and replace this one first so it'll at least stay in place. So take one of your bolts and take off the nut. This piece will go through the top and this piece will connect on the bottom. And if you look, it takes a screwdriver. I'm just going to use the only one I can find. So it's kind of small, but it should work. And it's just as easy. If you have to, if it's small enough, you can take the washer off, but you read the directions, it'll tell you you can add the washer if you need to. It looks like it'll fit better without it on mine. So then I just screw it from the bottom. You can probably get it tight enough by hand. Like I can tighten this and it won't even turn to the top. So I probably don't even need my screwdriver. Let's change this one out. Much better. There you go. It's as easy as that. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. Bye.